Paul, thanks for being with us today.
Thank you. Good day.
Now, Elixinol is one of the world's most influential CBD brands with nearly 3 decades of experience in the hemp industry. What can you tell us about your products and what makes your products unique in the market?
Absolutely. Elixinol is one of the premier CBD companies in the world. It's easy to say for a lot of people, but the reason why it's so good is because of the technology behind it. The technology is driven by myself and the president of the US division, Gabriel, our innovation that we have created since our inception. So I've been doing this for 25 years, and I truly believe the reason for taking these products to the world is actually for its efficaciousness. So the fact that these products actually work. We've created a range of technologies that ensure that the whole plant spectrum, the cannabinoids and all the terpenoids and all the best that the plant has to bring is stabilized, is safe, and is the same in every single product that people receive from Elixinol. The number of technologies that we have, including things like our liposomal delivery systems, these all add to an increased bioavailability within the body. And this is what sticks out from our products. And this is what most people know who stay with our products and recognize that Elixinol really is a product that is what it says it is.
Yeah, you also were part of an FDA think group or study group in which you discussed the FDA's position and thoughts on CBD and hemp. Talk to us a little bit about that experience.
Sure. Elixinol was very proud to be invited to answer some of the FDA's questions and support to explain why CBD is, in our opinion, extremely safe. And the FDA seems very keen and very positive in their move to allow and to support these claims that CBD is absolutely safe for the public. And they're in a process right now that is really being pushed by the Senate and House committees right now to ensure that it's crystal clear that CBD can be used by everybody. Since the meeting, the FDA came back and actually asked one of our medical advisors, Dr. Blair, for our support in showing the evidence of why CBD is safe. So we're very happy and openly sharing with the FDA all of Elixinol's experiences, all of the testimonials that we can't share publicly, but we can share, of course, professionally, and all the anecdotal evidence and the interest in the studies that we have to support why our products are the best and why CBD is absolutely safe and efficacious for many people.
Paul, what's the essential value proposition? Why should investors take an interest in Elixinol today?
Well, Elixinol Global is the corporate name. It's an ASX listed company, is based in Sydney, Australia. We have 2 entities there, a hemp foods business that has been my passion since the very beginning of my career, and is now developing finished food products. So it produced hemp seeds, oil, protein, and flour, which are the fundamentals, and we have a manufacturing plant in Australia, of course. But we have now moved to what I've always envisioned, which is actually producing finished products. So we now produce hemp and other herbs in capsules. We produce hemp burgers, and our hemp veggie burgers, the plant-based protein market, is something that we identified as very much growing. And we've recently launched in the supermarket, so that the mainstream, those burgers, and we look forward to seeing how that progress comes over the next 6 months or so. We've also got hemp honey and other products, nut spreads, all from hemp. So that's our hemp foods division. We've also got a medical cannabis division, which we recently announced. We received our manufacturing license from the Australian government, or the Office of Drug Control. And we've got a 3rd division. So this is the point, and this is the difference between Elixinol Global and many companies. We have 3 separate individual divisions. We're a highly diversified business, and our main division, Elixinol, is absolutely a leader in the global hemp CBD space. We have a European division that has recently launched. We have a Japanese division, which is growing on a slow but steady basis and shows a lot of potential for the Asian market, as well as, of course, our focus today, which is in the US and North America. So it's a truly global company. And we recently moved into a restructure to support the ongoing growth of this globalization.
Now, the company raised $50 million recently to support its U.S. expansion. What are the plans for that capital?
Well, that's kind of what I was just hinting to there. It's that we are in the process now of putting that into play in terms of our global restructuring. We are ensuring that the US division has the absolute best support teams and the best structure. Remember, there's many companies that have grown on the wave, have just jumped on this wave. We've grown organically from the very beginning. We are now setting ourselves up to be a company that has hundreds of millions of dollars worth of revenue in the future, and we're setting ourselves up with that structure. So that of course takes some capital, it takes some investment, and it may not show returns tomorrow, but it is something that we are very comfortable and confident to say in the next 6 to 12 months will become evident about what we've invested in. So we look forward to keeping the market informed about that progress.
Paul, talk to us about the partnership with Cambrian Alliance, one of the largest buying groups for independent pharmacies in the United Kingdom.
Great. So the United Kingdom is one of our focus markets. Outside of the US, it's our biggest market now. And Cambrian Alliance is one of a number of relationships. Cambrian Alliance is the largest independent, like a broker or connector, and it's a group basically of 14 or so 100 pharmacies. So we have the exclusive relationship with Cambrian Alliance to take our hemp CBD products out to those pharmacies. So we're starting to roll that out as we speak. Whilst we also work in joint venture with another partner who's recently launched in the high street shops in the UK. So in Holland and Barrett's, you can now find our products, and that's our latest formulation, in fact, of hemp and turmeric and hemp and other things for sleep and mind and body and all these different products that are becoming extremely popular over in the UK. So we're very excited about our beginnings in the UK, and we'll continue to invest in the growth in the UK through the team that we've had set up now since the beginning of the year.
Paul, in summary, in just a couple sentences, what is the main takeaway for investors today?
If you're interested in the hemp or CBD space, then Elixinol is the global player. There is no doubt we are the #1 global player in hemp and CBD with experience, a very professional and proven board. We are well capitalized, and we have clear plans for a long-term investment.
Well said. Paul, thank you for being with us today.
Thank you.